Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Got today the KSU call me in the morning, inform me about
Menteri Ketenat Pule Putih Jong Sorkar Jela uba lakmen remboi. Hagasngi balang galai puai tarik unailar arhajar arpuar ula pentip baka Sorkar kadang abjubab naga National Testing Agency hagabayadei bat ka Jingeh balai Iakynduh dagi Samla Pule Jong gane ka Jela kibahap ban Thoh ya ka examine Central University Entrance Test shabar ka Jela. Haga Jingeh keren bat kilat pathai kubor uba remboi ula ong ba yakane ka Jingeh jong ki Samla Pule la pensngau da ka seng ki Samla Pule Khasi Students Union. Kat kum ka Jingeh Thoh jong uba remboi Ketenat Pule Putih kepala Tokit benia naga National Testing Agency kala syam baki don shipahungut ki Samla Pule nagane ka Jela Meghalaya ki bala mat yakane ka Jingeh.
got today the KSU call me in the morning, inform me about there are some student which in spite of opting Shillong or Meghalaya as the center which they will appear for this CUET, there are some students which got the admit card and the exam center is in Guwahati or some even in Aizawl, and tomorrow the exam will start. Then our Commissioner and Secretary Education, he contact the NTA in Delhi, bring into his notice that there are some students, and to the best of my knowledge, as per information which I got, about 10 students, they face this problem. So I have asked the Commissioner to speak to NTA, and communication is on. And in the afternoon, I got the list of those candidates. I forward to the Commissioner. Commissioner is communicating with the NTA, but as of now, as I speak, I have not got any response. What is the response of the NTA? So let's hope that the NTA will be able to allow the student, if there is any seats available in the state, in our state. My information that the CUET in Meghalaya will be held in the state of Meghalaya, which located in Shillong, in Ribhoi, and Tura. For the record, I didn't have the exact number with me because this is not a one day. There are some students which will appear tomorrow, day after tomorrow, on the 3rd. So the total number of students which will appear in CUET is not there because the application have been applied directly to NTA, and it's not shared as of today with the state government. So I didn't have the record with me.